Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, license, plugins, and a clean project timeline. Open TrackView 2024 and set frame rate and timeline range so your tracking aligns with delivery. Next, import the clip or enable your live camera input. Choose File, Webcam, or NDI depending on source. Once done, pick a tracking preset that matches the shot: object, face, or camera. This first setup saves time later because TrackView applies correct defaults and reduces manual retiming. Now you move into detailed execution. Place several tracking points on firm, high-contrast details. Aim for 4 to 8 for reliable camera solves. Start auto-tracking and watch markers. Pause and adjust any that drift or are occluded. Make sure to run lens distortion and focal length calibration so TrackView interprets parallax correctly. If the scene has scale references, enter measurements to lock real-world size. As you refine these steps, the scene solve accuracy improves drastically and reduces later stabilization work. You finish by running the solve and inspecting your projection error. Aim for values under 1 when possible. Higher error needs more fixes. Export the solved camera and point data to your DCC or NLE, confirming coordinate units and frame offsets match your host. If the solve fails or shows jitter, retrack the troublesome frames, add manual keyframes to anchor critical points, then rerun the solve. One key troubleshooting tip: if drift continues, temporarily reduce active tracks to only the most stable features and solve again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.